Hi, I'm Sergeant Hill with the Westminster Police Department, and I've been asked today to talk about a recent robot deployment here at the Transcend Robot. There was a scenario that came up while we were working patrol a couple days ago. The scenario involved a mentally unstable subject who was under the influence of narcotics inside of a mobile home park. During the incident, our officers deployed and we were notified by an in-home health worker that the subject was walking around the house with a firearm.
Hey, you want me to deploy the robot? I can make announcements from the front porch.
Get that a little closer.
Get the robot right up on the front porch. Pull that car up. Got the door. I'll let you know if the door opens. Timmy, I got him. There you go. William, this is the Westminster Police Department. Come outside the house with your hands up. He's opening the door. Door's opening. Door's opening. He spun the robot around. He might come out the other door.
Yeah, 176.
Yep.
Is that to the south or to
That's
the north?
to the south or to the north?
With as much experience as I have with this police department and all the tactical situations I've been in, including officer-involved shootings, I would highly recommend anybody that has the opportunity to get themselves one of these robots. It's only going to increase your tactical abilities, it's only going to make it safer for your officers, and it's going to give you guys a much better chance to save the suspect's life, save your officer's life, and also protect our community with a rapid deployment robot such as this one.